It has been confirmed by the CEO. 6 months is all that's left for the Shiba Inu coin to reach its goal of $1. The recent wait by its pseudonymous founder and primary developer Satoshi Kusama is one of the reasons why investors have been paying attention to the price of Shiba Inu recently. Shiba Inu devotees were caught off guard last week when Satoshi Kusama revealed key information about a forthcoming community effort that is anticipated to strengthen the breed's standing. Today, I'd like to discuss the many reasons why SHIB will soon be worth $1. In other words, make sure you stick around to the finish of this video because what we have for you today is absolutely explosive. Welcoming you to Wealthy Coin, Shiba Inu Nakada. This is the place to be if you want to learn more about Shiba. If you want to get ahead of the curve in the crypto market, it's a good idea to subscribe to the latest SHIB news forecast as they happen. Let's take a look at the Shiba price chart and see where it is today, September 27th. Before we get into our main point, the Shiba Inu price is hoping for a speedy recovery after finding some stability at 1,040 cents. The second largest meme coin, with an upward limit of roughly 1,250 cents, also remained inside the bounds of the arranging channel. The token burn effort is not likely to have an immediate influence on the price of Shiba Inu, especially in a bear market. But a favorable outcome is likely in the following sessions if bulls can overcome their initial skepticism and focus on the various positive signals. Its impact, though, won't be seen for some time. The current priority for the SHIB price is to recover the $2 in value it lost and stay above the 1,040 cent support level. The daily chart's extreme oscillator indicates that the probabilities have begun to favor an upward reversal after a prolonged break from the oversold region. Gains in the company index are possible. When trying to rebound, Shiba Inu prices must first overcome the powerful bearish chains that are holding them at the declining channel's middle border. Traders would have to deal with the unknown of more drops below 1,000 cents into the blocks unless SHIB pulls above the channel. Around 11,500 addresses bought a total of 66.62 trillion SHIB tokens in the pennies range, as seen by the AMAP on-chain statistic. Strong resistance like this suggests a sluggish rebound as investors sell down near their individual profit targets. However, after marking a floor price, Shiba Inu price is now suspect due to the lack of reliable support zones, prompting investors to tread carefully until a sustained breakout happens. Let us return to our original discussion. Speaking to the Shiba army on September 17th, Kusama warned there will be burns from the game period. Once the blockchain version is released, more information will be available to explain why Shiba Eternity is powerful, challenging, and excellent ownership SHIB holders, and Siberian. Additionally, Kusama responded to a user's tweet by promising to provide a thorough explanation the day before the download was made available. Because it's so much more than just a game, there will be a lot to talk about. These tweets suggest that Shiba Inu development is working on a feature for Shiba Eternal that will allow players to take to the high seas while also helping to lower the total circulating quantity of ships. In addition, everyone is waiting with bated breath for Kusama to provide additional information in the run-up to the game's download. The lead developer hinted in a tweet that the set reveal was related to something mentioned in December. SHIB burns, SHIB swaps, V2 shade barium charbonate, and other such features will be standard on all new platforms as of last year. The game is the one and only exception, but even that is good reason. It's interesting that a former member of the Shiba Inu growth rumor mill retweeted this last month. Release of Shiba Eternity in Australia. It's worth noting that Shiba Inu just released their blockchain-based card game, Shiba Eternity, in Australia last week. It's expected that the next launch would mark the game's formal release in all regions of the world. Satoshi Kusama, the chief developer of the discarded Shiba Inu pseudonym, has made an announcement concerning a community project that could benefit holders, and the reveal appears to be related to what they indicated in December 2021. Kusama mentioned a burning mechanism for one of the community projects in a tweet she sent over the weekend. It's interesting that they tweeted about this back in December of last year. SHIB, a former member of both Shiba Inu growth and a prominent figure on social media, reposted it. A month ago, the primary developer tweeted that all upcoming platforms, including Shibusawa V2 Shade and Barium SHIB, will provide $SHIB burns. However, Benin Kusama noted that games are the one and only exception, and that there is logic behind this. It would appear that Kusama has already revealed some of the reasons why Shiba Forever is an exemption from the impending SHIB fire. Inform us. The rationale behind this is something we'll discuss. The Hashi maternity is formidable, demanding, beneficial to SHIB Jbot stockholders, and Siberian. Joe Deacon 101, a Twitter user, responded to the lead developer's message on the impending release of the blockchain version. To find out more or receive an answer, they hoped. The meaning of this question is unclear. When it comes to the game itself, can you please clarify what you mean by burns from the game? I'm curious if there will be burns on these beaters from current players in those countries. An end user remarked, "Great effort, developers. Just before download day, I shall go into depth, because it's so much more than just a game. There will be a lot to talk about. It's a war on the forces of darkness that want to end Shiba eternally." David Gorshin, founder of Gawker Media and a former U.S. congressional candidate, has credited the Shiba Inu community with starting the burn fad in the cryptocurrency industry, and Kusama has responded to his praise. After the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency had a retracement from its all-time high of 8,616 cents, Goldstein claims that the resulting burn fad was born. Those in the know place the blame for the market's low price and lack of a price rebound on the maximum supply. They pressured the team into letting interested investors submit tokens to a non-recoverable wallet as part of a voluntary token burn. Investors are worried that if supply was cut, prices would rise. 60 billion tokens have been destroyed by the Shiba Inu community, and the number is continually growing. They have been under pressure from the Cardano community and others in the crypto space to burn some of the ADA they have. Charles Hoskinson, creator of the protocol, is skeptical that this will ever happen because token burn calls go unheeded. In an effort to restore the token's value, the Terra Luna Classic 1 community has begun the burn process. Should I have a Shiba Inu now? Shiba Inu token value is not likely to respond quickly to the token burn effort, especially in a weak market. Its impact, though, won't be seen for some time. SHIB pricing is more focused on recovering lost ground to at least 1,800 cents and staying above support at 1,040 cents for the time being. The daily chart's extreme oscillator indicates that the probabilities are currently favoring a positive outcome. In the event of a prolonged recovery from the oversold zone, the score confirms the upward trending potential of SHIFT. There will be no further updates today. Also, the information presented here is not intended to be used as investment advice, and you will not be urged to make any purchases as a result of viewing this channel. This is simply a means via which instructional materials can be delivered to your home. So, before you put your money into something, make sure you've done extensive background reading on the subject. We really think you are going to enjoy this video. If you are a Shiba holder, please let us know in the comments and subscribe to our channel. Please come back soon. For a wealthy coin, of course.